This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 11 Review. How to cope with modern life. I've been reading about Stoicism lately. It really changes how I think about money and happiness. Same here. The idea that peace of mind is more important than luxury feels so true. Some Stoics even dropped out of wealthy lifestyles to live simply and learn what really matters. I think staying humble, even when you have money, helps you stay grounded. Yes, and time with loved ones, good health, freedom, those things are priceless. 100%. It's a privilege to even be able to think about these things when so many people are just trying to survive. Stoicism reminds me to be grateful for what I have instead of always chasing more. Same. A better life isn't always about earning more, it's about needing less. Okay, good job.